Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 12.2 from chapter 12 exponents and powers. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in standard form. Standard form you have done in class 7 also, in standard form and in usual form. Express the following number in standard form. Standard form means you have to write any number. We can express very small numbers in a standard form by using negative exponents here. It is a very small number. You can see the number is 0.0000 means how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros are there, then 8, 5. So very small number, by using exponents you can express it in standard form. So how to write this one? Now as it is 10 to the power 11, so you can write it in this form: 85 divided by 10 to the power, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10 to the power 13. Okay, now 8, 5, and as because of standard form, you know, after 1 point we have to take the decimal, as it is 8.5 into 10 to the power something. When we will express in the form of standard form, when we want to express this number in a standard form, it will be 8 point something, not 85 into 10 to the power. Do you remember in class 7 you have already done this? So what I can write? 85. Now 8.5, actually 8.5, and I am making this number, that means I am dividing this number by 10. So I have to multiply it by 10, then 10 to the power 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next what I can see, 8.5 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 13. As because it is in the denominator, so I can write in this way. Now we can see that now we can express it in the form of 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 13 plus 1 minus 13 plus 1, that is 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so in this way we can express, and this is the actual mathematical way we are showing in this way, but there is an shortcut way also I want to explain here. Now look at this number, the same number as we have expressed in question number 1. Now question number 2. See how many zeros are there, 0 point something, very small number. We want to express in a standard form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then again 11 zeros are there, and when we want to express it into in a standard form, then what I will do, the number is there, I am writing the number again: 0 0.123456 78 9 10 11 9 4 2. What I will do now, as you can see that after point the numbers, so many zeros are there, very small number, that means the number whenever we will express in a standard form, 10 to the power minus something, minus some values will come. So what will be the number? So the point will move in right side. How many places it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is moving after 12 places. So I can write 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 2. Understood? The point is moving right side, and now the point number was very small number. Now I am giving 9 point something. So as it is a very small number and I am expressing it in a whole number form, 9.42. So and the point is moving from here to right side. How many places? 11 zeros are there, then one digit also I have to take to express it in standard form. So 9.42, 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12. I think it will be easy for you. If you want to find the reason, then the reason I have explained here. So which process will be easy for you, you can follow that one. Next question is, look at this question, question number 3. It is 602 into 10 to the power. These are right side of these are not a so small number. This is a very large number. And you have to, if I express it in a standard form, the point will move from left side, from here to left side. So how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After one place the decimal will come. So 15 places of decimal. So 6.02. Okay. Now the number is not negative because after point zeros are not there. Zeros are in the right side of the number. So it is a big number. And the decimals are here. How many places you can count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 to the power 15 and this one will be positive 15. As because the number is a very big number. Understood? Now question number 4. Look at the digit 0 .1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 837. After 0, 8, not 837, sorry, 837. Because after the point, these are in the right side. So 8 zeros and 837. You have to express it in a standard form. The point will move right side. The point is now moving in right side. So how many places? And the point is moving in right side. That means 10 to the power minus some value will come. How many places the point is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The point is moving after 9 places. So 8.37 into 10 to the power, yes, minus 9. So I hope these sums are easy for you. You need to practice. Okay. Now question number 2. The opposite of question number 1. In question number 1, the question sums are given in usual form. You have to convert it into exponential form or standard form. Here standard form is given. You have to convert it into usual form. Now 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. By saying minus power, you can understand the number was very small and the zeros are in front of this number. So what I have to do, this 10 to the power minus 6. So zeros will go in the left side. To make the number smaller, we have to write the zeros in front of 3. The numbers in the whole number is given here 3.02, as minus power is showing here. So it is indicating that the number was very small. So what I have to do, one digit I have got here. So 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3. Can you see 10 to the 3? The point is moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why 10 to the power minus 6. 3, then 0, 2. This is the usual form. As minus sign is here, it is indicating, if you want to express the sum in a long way, we can write in this way also, but it will be easy for you students to follow this way. Now come to the next sum. Say 4.5 into 10 to the power plus 4. What do you understand? By this positive sign, the number is large number. Positive 4 power is indicating that the number was larger than 4. So 4, 5. Now next, how many zeros will come? Point is moving this right side now to make the number larger. One point is moving from here. So in this power 4, 3 zeros are there and 5 is using them. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power 4 and the points zeros are in the right side. Because it is a large number, power is positive. Next sum, same positive power, and the power will move in right side, point will move in right side because the number is positive power. So the result will be 1, and how many places the point already is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 0, 0, 1. The point is moving right side, you know, because of the positive sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the point will meet 9. 4 is there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many zeros in all? 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point was here. After 1 the point was here. So we can write the number in this form: 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Practice it, students. It will be easy for you. Thank you.